Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Sora 2 invite code from OpenAI Discord server. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your Discord application and you're going to find OpenAI Discord server. You're going to go to the Discover right here and then you can search OpenAI and you just need to join the OpenAI server and make sure that you verify your account, because if you haven't verified your account you won't be able to get the Sora 2 codes channel. So the channel only appear after you get the verification from OpenAI. And then you just need to go to the channel and then you can get the invite code here. Usually the other users share it for free, so you can try, but you need to be fast because maybe someone else has already redeemed the code. Okay, you can explore the code here, or if you use your mobile phone guys, you won't see this discover menu. So to join the OpenAI Discord server, I recommend you to use your browser. You just need to type in OpenAI and then you will be accepted in this server. Okay guys, and that's how we can get Sora 2 invite code. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!